Have you ever wondered how to make street-style satay sauce with a bit of crunch and a nice little bit of heat? If you follow this recipe, your taste buds will think I kidnapped you and took you to Asia. Crunchy satay with some added heat. I'll let you be the judge if it's tasty enough and moist. Some nut! Oh, did you know that chicken thighs are tastier and hold moisture better than breast meat when cooking? That's why I snatched 1 kilogram of them from Mick out of Gippsland Premium Meats for this experiment. All we need to do is dice the thighs into roughly 25mm pieces and place into a bowl. This next step is how we start building flavour into our chicken. This empty bowl won't add much flavour on its own, so add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Mix this up thoroughly and add it to the chicken. Toss the chicken in the marinade, then cover with cling wrap and into the fridge for an hour. Did you know the word marinade comes from the French verb mariner, and this means to pickle in sea brine? Still wondering where the satay part comes in? Calm down, it's right here. Place a saucepan over a medium heat and add the following ingredients. 1 cup of low sodium chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and 5 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter. Bring this to a simmer, stirring often. After about 5 to 7 minutes, it should have thickened a little and will be a smooth consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, stir, remove from the heat and put aside for later. Pro tip. Wood burns. Shocking, I know. That's why it's suggested to soak your wooden skewers in water a good hour before using them. Once fully waterlogged, remove them from the water and start building your skewers. Try and keep them all the same size. This way they will cook more evenly. With any of the daggy bits, make sure you stab them twice. Once they are all ready, go build a fire. Did you know the caveman used wooden skewers to eat with? So it goes to reason I think you can handle it, even if you are half cut. The Weber GA is today's grill of choice. Small, compact, and perfect for grilling. I'm teaming it up with a 100mm riser I grabbed from Rub and Grub, and fueling today's exercise is Heat Bead's lump charcoal, a half chimney full to be exact. Once the fuel's in, give that grill about 5 minutes to warm up. Have you ever watched someone barbecue without beer? No, because that'd be weird. Now this cook's going to take around 20 minutes, and for those of you who follow me, you know what that means. That is, this is a 1 beer cook using my beer timer. Did you know I've been using beers to time my cooks since 1989? Stop slapping cold meat onto a hot grill. It's just plain rude. By spraying the heated up grill with oil before adding your meat, you are creating a non-stick cooking surface. Now over the years I've got sick of burnt wooden skewers no matter how much I soak them in water. So I like to add some flexible metal first. Place your skewers over the hot charcoal and proceed to turn them every couple of minutes. If you don't have a 100mm riser like me, turn them every minute just to prevent burning. Once you hit around the 10-minute mark, you will start to see a bit of charring on the skewers. This is what we want. It's called the Maillard reaction. This is a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that occur when food is heated, leading to browning and the development of complex flavours. Chicken is safe to eat once it hits an internal temp of 74 degrees Celsius, and the best way to check this is by using a thermometer. This is what I call no-death chicken. Once your skewers reach this temp, you can remove them from the heat, plate them up, ready for devouring. Did you know cooking chicken to an internal temp of 74 degrees is sufficient in killing harmful bacteria like salmonella, which you find on raw poultry? Hold on, we're nearly done. When serving these satay skewers, don't forget the sauce. I actually like to dribble a little bit over the skewers and then sprinkle the skewers with some crushed roasted peanuts and some parsley for that freshness to the taste and a bit of colour. Did you know I love showing you all different ways to use your barbecue? So, if you want to see me cook something a bit different, let me know in the comments.